Hey folks, today we're diving into the weapon lights and illumination options available on our website. We do offer holsters for all the pistol lights shown here on the holster product page that you're interested in. Check out the firearm drop-down tab to find your specific pistol and light combination. And for rifle lights like the M640U, we do also offer the DS07 Switch Assembly. So with that, you're going to get the ST07 pressure pad for your momentary activation, as well as the DS00 tail cap for clicky cap functionality. SureFire also makes kind of a M-LOK mountable system to get this thing in there as well. The ST07 is super versatile, and again, they do play nicely with some of the Arisaka Defense and the mountable device stuff on Arisaka's website as well. So this is a pretty versatile setup from SureFire. You've got your pressure pad for momentary, the clicky cap here for the DS00 tail cap is a great redundant feature, just in case anything should happen to your ST07 pressure pad here. Just a versatile setup from SureFire.